Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Iqiyi subscription. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so we're going to go for a few different ways. So one's via the website, and then another way is via the mobile app in your iOS and Android device. So the first way to cancel your Iqiyi subscription, sorry if I butchered the name, is to head on over to the website and then make sure to log in. And then from there, click on your profile picture or username, should be in the top right hand corner, and then select account settings or VIP membership. In the membership or subscription section, find the option to cancel your subscription. Then from there, just follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. And now if you're on a mobile app for iOS device users, what you want to do is open up Settings app on your device, tap on your Apple ID, select subscriptions, find and tap on Iqiyi, tap cancel subscription and confirm your choice. Now if you're on an Android device, what you want to do is head over to your Play Store and then click on your user profile, top right hand corner, click onto payments and subscriptions, click onto subscriptions, and now this is where your Iqiyi subscription active one is going to be. Just simply click onto it, click cancel, and then that will go ahead and cancel your subscription.